In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form in Unbounce. We'll work in the classic builder, and I'll guide you through placing the form, choosing the right fields, and polishing the details so your visitors know exactly what to do. Start by opening the landing page you want to edit in the classic builder. If you're already in the page, you're set. Take a quick look at your layout and decide where the form should live. Ideally near your main headline or call to action, so it's easy to spot and feels connected to your offer. On the left-hand toolbar, find the Form widget. Click and drag it onto your canvas, then drop it where you want the form to appear. As you move it, you'll see alignment guides. Use these to keep the form lined up with your other elements. You can resize the form area so it fits your design, and you can always reposition it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. When you place the form, a dialog opens. Here, choose between predefined fields and custom fields. Predefined fields cover the basics, like name, email, and phone. Great for speed and consistency. Custom fields are ideal when you need something specific, such as a short text field, a drop-down, or another tailored input that matches your campaign. Think about the minimum information you truly need. Shorter forms usually convert better, so start with essentials and resist the urge to ask for extras that don't drive action. Next, add, remove, or reorder your fields until the flow feels natural from top to bottom. Put the most important items first, so visitors can complete the form quickly. To refine each field, click on it and adjust the label or placeholder. Labels should be clear and concise, like email, while placeholders can offer an example, such as name@website.com, to show the expected format. Keep your tone consistent, avoid duplicate questions, and make sure the spacing between fields is comfortable so the form is easy to scan. When everything looks right, click Done to close the dialog. Give the form a final check for alignment and readability, and make sure it sits logically within your page's visual hierarchy. Then save your page so your changes are preserved. Saving now ensures your work is safe and ready for the next steps in your build. That's all it takes to add a form in Unbounce using the classic builder. Thanks for watching, and keep refining your page for clarity, simplicity, and a seamless visitor experience.